Sometimes the role of the customer experience manager can seem impossible. There are many demands on your time, focus, and priorities in any given day. Customers expect quality software on time and on budget. However, the requirements continue to change again and again. Many of today's smart software companies have moved from waterfall project management styles due to the mounting pitfalls and onto an agile approach. Agile project management will allow project managers and teams they are managing to hit critical milestones and provide executives with what they are asking for, which is fast, accurate project statuses, even when the scope and deliverables are ever-changing and moving targets. Company NFK has over 20 years of experience in customer experience management and specializes in creating technological solutions to help clients effectively and efficiently manage their customer care, including consulting, IT services, and customer service. Company NFK assists clients in both their digital and mobile CRM IT projects. Company NFK has been acquired by Company XYZ to work together on a rebranding their current CRM solution. A project team has been created. The PMO will be Kevin, the business analyst will be Simone, and the development team will be Lou, Tony, Amanda, and Mark. The operations team still needs to be determined. Company XYZ has the expectation of a faster delivery system, of better software, which requires a shift from waterfall to agile. Some of the team members are feeling under pressure by the agile methodology and are struggling to see the true value of the processes in order to deliver quality software faster. The current solution has 7 channels: emails, calls, ticketing, notification, conversational SMS, chat via third-party tool Do You Dream Up, and social. The two companies need to build a global team that has members from each company who are experts in the current CRM solution and building CRM solutions that contain different channels. The rebranding of the CRM solution has one constraint: reuse the existing conversational module. Company XYZ no longer wants to use the third-party tool for their chat module and wants to independently recreate their own version so it can be owned and managed by them. The mistake some of our teams have made is that they have proven to be successful with one agile team, and then as we are growing, we continue to add more user stories to the project and more teams working on them without truly knowing how to prepare for the growth before we know it. There are a hodgepodge of teams using their own tools to manage their workload. These tools don't always align and speak to the same way to others or roll up into a clear software portfolio vision. The global team needs to share the same methodologies and tools, and they need to onboard and train new members to the existing platform, and then they need to start with a team that will have a limited scope. Company XYZ has decided that they want to begin with revamping their current conversational chat module. They want live chat with agents so that they can get instant support with their desktop from their peers and some experts. They want customers to be able to engage with the brand using the chat box on the website, as well as proactive chat. They want a chat box to appear on a website only when some rules are matched, such as availability status of agents and time spent on the website. We do struggle to have a greater visibility and continuous feedback, which is imperative to our project, and we understand the need that agile project managers must react very quickly to change and bottlenecks in the development process. But this strategy is different from waterfall, and with any type of change, there's usually hiccups expected. The 3 main problems can be summarized from the above that the company NFK and XYZ are facing: faster delivery of better software, creation of a rebranded chat module, and coordinating between the different teams, tasks, and sharing resources and planning. So, 3 main problems can be summarized from the above that NFK and XYZ are facing: the faster delivery systems, creation of rebranded chat module, and coordinating between the different teams and tasks and sharing resources and planning. Using Scrum gives you potentially shippable product at the end of every sprint. Company NFK could release better software at regular intervals. Scrum projects can be created named Chat. After creating the project, we must create the backlog, aka the product backlog will contain an ongoing list of the team's potential work for items for the project. Benefits of changing from waterfall to agile: increased flexibility, increased productivity, increased transparency, higher quality deliverables, decreased risk of missed objectives, and increased stakeholder engagement and satisfaction. Creating user stories or tasks in the backlog: bugs or issues if applicable, such as live chat. As an agent, I can get instant support with my desktop from my peers or some experts. As a customer, I can engage with the brand using the chat box on the website. Proactive chat. Chat box appears on the website only when some rules are matched, such as availability of status of agents and the time spent on the website, and the new data version of the CRM solutions will also need to display useful KPI and dashboards for coaching and real-time analysts, and configure chat box for level 1 analysts of customer requests. Need for live chat and proactive chat options. As the agent, I can get instant support within my desktop from my peers or some experts. As a customer, I can engage with the brand using Chatbox on the website. Chatbox appears on the website only when some rules are matched, such as availability status, and when agents spend time on the website. Create the sprint. So once a sprint canvas is determined, the team perpetually operates on the canvas. Fixed length sprints reinforce estimation skills and predict the future velocity for the team as they work through the backlog. We are suggesting a 6-week project. The sprint planning meeting: the entire team discusses the sprint goal and the stories in the prioritized backlog. Hold the daily stand-up meetings. Set up the entire team for success throughout the sprint. Team discusses the sprint goals and stories in the prioritized backlog and view the burn down chart. Monitor burn down chart, which shows the estimated amount of work to be done within that sprint. View the sprint report. Monitor progress of the sprint. Hold the sprint meeting. Share meetings where teams can show what they've shipped in that sprint. Each product is working part of the product increment. Hold the sprint retrospective meeting after the completion of the sprint. Have the teams complete a retrospective. Document the retrospective for future development. And the team inspects itself, including the processes, tools, and team interaction. Improvement issues are often added to the next sprint's backlog. Complete the sprint. If the sprint has incomplete issues, you can move the issues to the backlog, move the issues to a future sprint, or move the issues to a new sprint. Principles that guide Agile. The customer satisfaction is always the highest priority and achieved through rapid and continuous delivery. Changing environments are embraced at any stage of the process to provide customer with a competitive advantage. A product or service is delivered with higher frequency. Stakeholders and developers collaborate closely on a daily basis. All stakeholders and team members remain motivated for optimal project outcomes, while teams are provided with all the necessary tools and support that are entrusted to accomplish the project goals. Face-to-face meetings are deemed the most effective and efficient format for the project success. A final working product is the ultimate measure of success. Sustainable development is accomplished through agile processes whereby development teams and stakeholders are able to maintain a constant and ongoing pace. Agility is enhanced through the continuous focus on technical excellence and proper design. Simplicity is the element. Self-organizing teams are most likely to develop the best architectures and designs to meet their requirements, and regular intervals are used by teams to improve efficiency through fine-tuning behaviors. In customer experience management field, Agile provides project team sponsors, project leaders, and customers many project benefits, including more rapid deployment of solutions, reduced waste through minimization of resources, increased flexibility and adaptability to change, expanding teams over a physical space, increased success through more focused efforts, faster turnaround times, faster detection of issues and defects, optimized development processes, a lighter framework, optimal project control, increased focus on the specific customer needs, and increased frequency of collaboration and feedback. The new version of the CRM solution will also need to display useful KPI and dashboards for the coach and real-time analysts, and configure a chat box for level 1 and use Scrum methodologies to create a software for the dashboard and KPIs. Thank you for viewing our solution.